The 2025 Honda Civic is here, and if you're in the market for a compact car that blends reliability, style, and cutting-edge technology, this might be the one to watch. Honda has taken what people already loved about the Civic and refined it even further, adding subtle upgrades while maintaining the model's solid reputation for performance and value. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Civic carries forward the sleek and sporty look introduced in its 11th generation. It still has that low, wide stance that gives it a more mature and premium feel than past Civics. Honda has slightly refreshed the front fascia for a more aggressive appearance, with a bolder grille design and updated LED headlights that provide a sharper, more modern touch. Around back, the taillights get a minor tweak for a cleaner finish. It's evolutionary, not revolutionary, but it works, and it looks good. Under the hood, things remain familiar but dependable. The base models continue with the naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, pushing out 158 horsepower. If you step up to the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine available in the X and Touring trims, you'll get 180 horsepower with more torque and better efficiency. While it's not the most thrilling setup on paper, Honda's tuning ensures the Civic delivers a balanced, responsive ride, especially with its tight steering and composed suspension. One thing Civic fans will notice is the return of the hybrid. Yes, for 2025, Honda is finally bringing back a Civic hybrid to the US market, aimed at bridging the gap between the fuel-conscious buyer and the one who wants more performance without going full EV. The hybrid powertrain combines a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with two electric motors, delivering a solid mix of power and fuel efficiency, likely around 44 to 50 mpg combined, though official EPA numbers will confirm that soon. This hybrid setup is similar to what we've seen in the CR-V and Accord hybrids, which means it's a proven system and should perform well. Inside, the Civic continues to impress with one of the most refined cabins in its class. The minimalist design, horizontal lines, and honeycomb mesh air vents carry over from last year, keeping things clean and intuitive. Honda has upgraded the materials just slightly for 2025, with more soft touch surfaces and optional contrast stitching depending on the trim. The seats remain supportive, and rear passengers still enjoy ample legroom for a compact car. Technology is where the Civic gets even better. For 2025, all trims now come standard with a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, finally retiring the smaller 7-inch version in lower trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, along with a faster and more responsive user interface. Higher trims add built-in navigation, a premium Bose sound system, and a wireless charging pad. The digital instrument cluster is also expanded to more models this year, giving drivers a customizable and modern dashboard experience. Safety remains a priority. Honda sensing is now more robust, with improved adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and new traffic jam assist functionality. This gives the Civic semi-autonomous capability in slow-moving traffic, great for commuters. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are now standard on more trims, and the overall safety package makes the Civic one of the most secure compact cars you can buy. For driving enthusiasts, the Civic Si and the Civic Type R are expected to return unchanged for 2025, and that's not a bad thing. The Si offers a more engaging manual-only experience with 200 horsepower, while the Type R remains a track-ready beast with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine pushing 315 horsepower. These models continue to set benchmarks for performance in the front-wheel drive category. In terms of pricing, Honda is keeping things competitive. The base LX trim starts just under $25,000, while the well-equipped X and Touring trims push closer to $30,000. The hybrid models are expected to slot in slightly above the X, offering a strong value for anyone looking to save at the pump without giving up features or comfort. Whether you're a daily commuter, a first-time car buyer, or someone who just wants a reliable and stylish ride, the 2025 Honda Civic remains one of the most well-rounded choices in its segment. It's smart, efficient, safe, and still fun to drive. With the addition of a hybrid model and subtle tech upgrades across the board, Honda shows once again why the Civic continues to lead the pack in the compact car world. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Civic on your radar, or are you waiting for the next big thing? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.